Hello friends, wait. Our new product review video is ready. So let's begin our new product review video. Thank you.
What if you can take any logo and turn it into a premium brand visuals like book covers, t-shirts, software mockups, bottles, packaging, business visuals, device screens, and high-end promotional screens in under 60 seconds. That is without Photoshop, without design skills, without freelancer delays, without flat canvas templates, and without gambling on random AI outputs. That is exactly what ClawBrand AI does. A complete AI brand design team that is working for you 24/7. You upload your logo once, pick your scenes, and click generate. And a minute later, you'll have a polished, photorealistic mockup that actually looks like a real brand asset. So instead of building another AI image tool, we built something fundamentally different. ClawBrand AI is powered by the ClawBrand engine. That means you are not using one AI doing one random task. You are deploying a coordinated multi-agents AI brand team built specifically for brand visual production. It is an agentic AI brand design solution built on revolutionary OpenClaw technology. Let me show you. Book covers, phone mockups, branded t-shirt, premium packaging scenes, different assets, same brand, same polished feel. Now, one more thing. One click, background remove, and every asset can be stored, reused, and organized inside your mockup library and asset manager. This is the difference. This is not just image generation. This is production. And here is what really makes ClawBrand AI different. Behind the scenes, you are getting 6 specialized AI brand design agents working together as a coordinated team. Not one AI, a department. This gives you OpenClaw-powered AI brand team that are running from your browser. So here is what you're going to be unlocking today with ClawBrand AI. You get access to a complete agentic AI brand design solution that is powered by the ClawBrand engine. You get the saved brand kits, you get this asset manager, your full mockup library, one-click background removal, high-resolution exports for web and print, and on top of everything, I'm going to include commercial license use for everything that you generate inside ClawBrand AI. And 180 professional templates included right now on this page. So you can start creating immediately. But more importantly, you get your own AI brand team together to help you create book covers, t-shirts, software, visuals, bottles, packaging, device mockup, business graphics, and premium promotional assets in minutes instead of days. This is exactly what you're going to be unlocking today. The old way is slow. It's expensive, it's fragmented, it's frustrating, and ClawBrand AI replaces all of that with one coordinated OpenClaw-powered AI brand team that actually helps you create premium brand visuals in minutes instead of days. So the price that you're seeing right now on this page is the best you're ever going to get. So go ahead, click on the button below this video or on the page and get ClawBrand AI now and put your AI brand team to work today.